Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you about 80 rare Spanish coins values. Elizabeth II, 3 quarters, issued in 1836, Barcelona. Weight 7.40 gram. Elizabeth II, 2 maravedis, issued in 1847, Segovia. Extremely fine. Philip IV, 8 reals, issued in 1633, Segovia are 8 to the right. Philip IV, Giton, issued in 1624, Brussels. Weight 477 gram. Philip IV, Giton, 1649, Antwerpen. Weight 5.75 gram. Elizabeth II, 2.5 centimos de escudo, issued in 1868, Segovia. Elizabeth II, 1 peseta, 1837, Barcelona, and weight is 5.87 gram. Elizabeth II, 1 real, 1862, Barcelona, weight 1.32 gram. Elizabeth II, 10 reals, issued in 1852, Barcelona, and weight is 13.12 gram. Elizabeth II, 1 real, issued in 1859, Madrid. It is made of silver. Elizabeth II, 20 reals, issued in 1861, Madrid, and it is gold type. Elizabeth II, 80 reals, 1836, Sevilla, DR, and it is made of gold. Elizabeth II, doubloon of 100 reals, 1850, Madrid, and it is also made of gold. Charles III, 2 reals, issued in 1784, Madrid, JD, and it is made of silver. Charles III, 2 maravedis, 1788, Segovia. Weight 2.42 gram. This is Charles III, 4 maravedis, 1779, Segovia, and weight is 5.08 gram. Elizabeth II, 100 reals, 1862, Sevilla, and it is made of gold. Weight is 8.39 gram. This is Charles II, Giton, 1668, Antwerpen, and it is weight 6.29 gram. Charles II, Giton, 1670, Brussels, and weight is 6.23 gram. This one is Charles II, Giton, 1683, Brussels, and the weight is 5.04 gram. Charles II, 1 Tari, 1687, Naples, EG/A, and the weight is 5.66 gram. Charles II, 1 Tari, 1696, Naples, and it is made of silver. Weight is 4.31 gram. Charles II, half Ducado, 1689, Naples, and the weight is 12.35 gram. Charles II, 1 real, 1699, Cagliari, and it is made of silver. The weight is 2.58 gram. Charles III, the Pretender, 2 reals, issued in 1707, Barcelona. This is Charles III, half real, 1773, Mexico, and it is made of silver. Weight is 1.65 gram. Charles III, half real, 1770, Sevilla, and it is also made of silver. Weight is 1.35 gram. Charles III, 1 real, 1770, Potosi, JR, made of silver. This is Charles III, 2 reals, 1767, Potosi, GR, made of silver. Weight 6.63 gram. Charles III 4 reels 1769 Potosi Jr. and straight 9. Charles III 8 reels 1772 Lima GM and made of silver, weight 26.77 gram. Charles III 8 reels 1767 Mexico MF and it is also made of silver. Charles III 8 reels 1772 Mexico FM and it is also made of silver. This is Charles III 1759 to 1788 8 reels issued in 1777 in Mexico. Well, Charles III half escudo 1764 Madrid and it is Kel 1247. Charles III half escudo 1783 Madrid and it is made of gold. Now Charles III 1 escudo issued in 1787 in Madrid DV and next is Charles III 1 escudo issued in 1767 Popa J and it is made of gold. Charles III 4 escudo 1762 Popa and it is also made of gold. Well, Charles III 60 grana or half piastra issued in 1754 in the Naples, made of silver. Charles IV proclamation medal 1789. It is made of silver and the diameter is 23 millimeter. Charles IV proclamation medal 1789 Esija, made of silver and the diameter is 26 millimeter. Charles IV proclamation medal 1789 Granada, made of silver and weight 7.34 gram. Charles IV proclamation medal 1789 Soria, it is made of silver and weight is 11.28 gram. Charles IV proclamation medal 1789 Archbishopric of Mexico. Next is Charles IV proclamation medal 1789 Potosi. It is made of silver and weight is 24.11 gram. Well, this is Charles IV proclamation medal 1790 Puebla de Los Angeles, Mexico. Charles IV proclamation medal issued in 1790 Mexico Real de Catros. Charles IV 2 Maravedis 1796 Segovia and the weight is 2.47 gram. Charles IV 2 Maravedis 1807 Segovia and the weight is 2.17 gram. Charles IV 4 Maravedis 1801 Segovia, weight is 5.01 gram. Charles IV 8 Maravedis 1792 Segovia and weight is 11.79 gram. Well, Charles IV 1/4 reel 1806 Lima and it is made of silver. Charles IV half reel 1792 Mexico FM. It is made of silver and the weight is 1.64 grams. Charles IV 1 reel 1791 Potosi PR. Made of silver and weight is 3.37 gram. Charles IV 1 reel issued in 1805 Santiago FJ, made of silver. Charles IV 2 reels issued in 1793 Sevilla and it is also made of silver, weight is 5.16 gram. Charles IV 8 reels 1794 Mexico FM and it is made of silver. Well, Charles IV 8 reels issued in 1797 Santiago and it is also made of silver, weight is 27 gram. Charles IV, 2 escudos, 1793 Madrid, and it is made of gold, weight is 6.76 gram. Well, this is Charles IV, 8 escudos, issued in 1790 Popayen SF, and it is made of gold. Now, Joseph Napoleon, 8 maravedis, issued in 1811 Segovia, and the weight is 10.61 gram. Joseph Napoleon, 4 reels, 1810 Madrid, and the weight is 5.62 gram. Joseph Napoleon, 4 reels, 1812 Madrid, and it is made of silver, and the weight is 5.85 gram. Well, this is Joseph Napoleon, 4 quarters, issued in 1813 Barcelona, and the weight is 7.91 gram. Joseph Napoleon, 1 peseta, 1810 Barcelona, made of silver, and weight is 5.62 gram. Ferdinand VII, proclamation medal, October 13, 1808. It is very rare. Ferdinand VII, proclamation medal, 1808, Leon de Nicaragua. Ferdinand VII, 6 quarters, 1810, Cataluna, and the weight is 13.46 gram. Ferdinand VII, 12 dineros, issued in 1812 Melorosa, and the weight is 5.61 gram. Ferdinand VII, 3 maravedis, 1820 Papalona, and weight is 6.59 gram. Ferdinand VII, 3 maravedis, 1830 Papalona, and the weight is 6.08 gram. Ferdinand VII, 1 quarter, 1814 Mexico, and the weight is 3.27 gram. This is Ferdinand VII, 2 maravedis, 1827 Jupia Cabezon type, and it is very rare. Well, this is Ferdinand VII, 8 maravedis, 1814 Jupia, and the weight is 9.92 gram. Ferdinand VII, 8 maravedis, 1819 Jupia, and the weight is 10.29 gram. Ferdinand VII, 8 maravedis, 1815 Segovia, and weight is 11.08 gram. Well, this is Ferdinand VII, half reel, and it is Cartagena de Indias, and it is very rare. Ferdinand VII, half reel, 1812 Cartagena de Indias. It is also very rare ancient coin. Ferdinand VII, half reel, 1815 Guiana, and the weight is 2.08 gram. This is Ferdinand VII, 2 reels, 1818 Caracas, and it is lions and castle, and it is made of silver. Estado Español, 2.50 pesetas, 1953, weight 6.82 gram. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe.